Hey guys, so this is today's look, and if you want to know how to get it, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to be going in with my OLEHENRIKSEN Moisturizing Cream. I really like this moisturizing cream. I feel like it's so hydrating, and it does not feel like it clogs your pores whatsoever. I love it. Today I'm using my SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer. Now taking my Amazonian Clay Foundation and some FARSALI Rose Gold drops, I'm going to be blending that into my face.
But as long as I am with you, I will be just fine. You are my light on the dark side. And anytime it gets too hard and I feel like I've gone so far,
now going in with Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, I'm going to be applying these to my brows. But I'm going to do that off camera and be right back. Today I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Eyelid Primer. This is a waterproof eyelid primer. This stuff is supposed to last 12 hours. And then after you apply your thin layer, you are going to wait 60 seconds. And then you can apply your eyeshadow. Going in with my Soft Glam Anastasia palette, I'm going to be using the color Orange Soda using a Morphe M433 brush. You're gonna want to make sure this is all over the lid. Now using a Morphe E17, I'm gonna be going into the color Burnt Orange right here, just so it's a nice transition. Using a Morphe M518 brush, I'm going to be blending this all in. As I'm doing this, I'm just barely touching it. And use circular motions. Now going in with a little bit more of Burnt Orange, just so you don't lose the orange. Now using a Morphe E36, I'm going to be going in with the color Sienna and applying that in the corner of my eye.
You so fucking precious when you smile.
Now going in with a Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to be blending this out.
Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me.
I'll be taking the color Mulberry and applying that right here.
Happy you're alive.
Using a Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to be blending that out. As I'm blending this, I'm just lightly transitioning it with Sienna.
No, you're fine. Running circles around my mind. Even when it's rainy, all you ever do is shine. You on fire, you a star just like Mariah. Man, this feel incredible, I'll turn you to a bride.
Taking a Morphe E17 brush, I'm just going to be blending this out. Now going in with a Morphe M213 brush, I'm going to be taking the color Tempera, and I'm applying that right over the eyebrow bone.
I can look away, I just gotta say.
Tell me you love me, but I heard it before. Staying out till the morning, I can hear the door.
And I'm gonna go in with the burnt orange
Just
and
like the
apply that
rest.
right under
I can
here.
smell all the whiskey and the smoke on your breath. I don't think you know this, but you're so predictable.
Then taking that same brush, and I'm gonna be going in with Sienna. Now that I have finished this eye, I'm gonna move on to the next, and I'll be right back. Now taking my MARC Jacobs, I'm going to be applying that to my waterline.
Thought I told you once before. Oh, I guess you wasn't listening. And I'll wait till the morning.
Taking my Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, I'm going to be applying that to my lashes.
Just know that I'm leaving, 'cause you've been talking in your sleep. Oh, and you've been messing around on me.
Now I'm going with my Juliette House of Lashes.
You say that you want me back. Wanna talk me sober, no, won't do that. Swear that you're different, but it's still like the rest. Don't wanna talk it over now.
Using my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, I'm going to be going in with the color Cinnamon.
Texting her behind my back and acting like I don't, but I already know. Yeah, I already know. 'Cause you've been talking in your sleep. Oh, and you've been messing around on me. I thought I told you once before. Oh, I guess you wasn't listening. And I'll wait till the morning. Might just say you're sleeping. Won't give you a warning. Just know that I'm leaving. 'Cause you've been talking in your sleep. In your sleep, in your sleep. And you've been messing around on me. I don't think you know this, but you're so relatable. Texting girls behind my back and acting like you don't, but I already know. Oh, yeah, I already know. 'Cause you've been
Using my
talking
NARS
in your
concealer,
sleep.
my nose.
And you've been messing around on me. You've been messing around on me. I thought I told you once before. Oh, I guess you wasn't listening. And I'll wait till the morning.
Going in with a little bit of Shape Tape under my eye.
Just know that I'm leaving, 'cause you've been talking in your sleep. And you've been messing around on me.
Using my Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend everywhere that I have concealed.
I plead the fifth. Can't make me talk about shit. It's all on him. I ain't responsible for all the bloodshed. Don't hate me. I know I'm the one you blame. It's nothing I
Now I'm going to be baking under my eyes with my MERCIER Setting powder. Now taking my Anastasia kit, I'm going to be going in with the color Fawn, using a Morphe R10 brush. with a Morphe M510 brush.
Can't keep this up. Somebody lock me up. Don't trust myself no more.
I just use this to like blend everything in.
I'm the one you blame. It's nothing that I could control. Nothing that I could control.
Taking a Morphe M530, I'm going to be using REALHER Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit. I'm going to be using the color Unstoppable and Fearless. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Tartiest lip paint in Delish.
You put me in this mess. You got inside my head. Somehow I still.
Now going in with a Morphe M504, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Amrezy.
Locked me in my own brain. Somehow I still want you.
Now using a Morphe M213 brush, I'm going to be applying it to my brow. Now I'm going to be going in with the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And I'm going to set this with All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray.
My heart feels like the sharpest razor blade.
Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.